Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So on Monday's session, we saw that there was a very huge selling in the market. Nifty was down by 260 points and almost closed at 19,281. So all this was we believed that 19,500 was the immediate support, but then on the Monday we saw that that level has been broken. And if we look at the chart pattern, then we are now heading to the lower support zone. So below 19,500, the next support to watch is 19,200, and after 19,200, 18,800. So this is the lower side demand zone, or maybe we can say this is a support level. But then there has been a breakdown, and tomorrow there is a monthly expiry. So with this clear-cut breakdown, the trend has now begun turn into a negative zone. So now we have to closely watch the levels of 19,200, which was this was the level during the end of the August one where the market took support, and then we saw the new all-time high level. So it is very crucial that we see that this 19,200 level is not broken. If those level are broken, then I think 18,800 will be the next level on the downside. And technically also the market, this Nifty has broken the 50-day moving average. So whenever the market breaks 50-day moving average, there is a tendency it come closer to the 200-day moving average. And now the value for the 200-day moving average is 18,600. So right now, I don't want to talk of 18,600, but then the bias is negative. The Nifty has to strongly scale above 50-day moving average, which is somewhere close to 19,600. Only when it strongly closes upon 19,600, the uptrend will get resumed. So as long as 19,600 is not taken out, we are going to see some kind of sideways momentum, sideways to negative momentum. And now immediate support is at 19,200. So there are cluster of zones which we need to keep a watch on. So at least for next couple of days, we'll be extremely cautious, and we will avoid taking any trading bets. Maybe positional bets we can figure out, but then we'll be cautious from the at least for the next couple of days. Same thing with the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty was down by close to 571 points. And the Bank Nifty for after a very long time, it has broken 43,500. So all this wise, we always believed that Bank Nifty is weak, and we expected Bank Nifty to come anywhere near 43,500 to 43,000. So this was the lower side demand zone for the Bank Nifty. So now Bank Nifty, if we see, Bank Nifty has already broken the 50-day moving average, and now on Monday it has tested the 200-day moving average. So it will be very crucial to see this. 43,000 will be the immediate support for the Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty breaks 43,000, then there can be further damage. Bank Nifty can come this close to 42,500, 42,000 level. So it's a cautious view on the Bank Nifty as well as on the way of 44,500 is the immediate resistance. So we need to keep a close watch. Right now, it will be we will maintain a cautious view for the index. So come to the derivatives outlook. So in the Nifty futures, there was a short built up to the tune of 2.31%. The put call ratio has decreased from 0.90 to 0.71. And this call writing was seen at 19,600. So this is the resistance, and 19,000 put writing. So this will act as a support. Coming to Bank Nifty, there was a long unwinding to the tune of minus 2.93%. The PCR has also decreased from 0.73 to 0.51, and the major writing was seen at 44,000. So this is the resistance, and support will be seen at 43,000 put option. Few stocks today there are results like Axis Bank, Chalet Hotel, Chennai Petro, Jubilant Food, Tech Mahindra. These are the results, so we need to keep a watch on it. Only the selected pharma and auto space, whenever there is a decline, stock-specific trades can be viewed in this counter, is what I believe. So we'll take a cautious view for the next couple of days. That's the technical view. I'll hand out to Bhavesh sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Hi, yeah, good morning, team. So, starting with, we released a report on Suntech Reality. So, Suntech is a real estate developer mainly in Mumbai. Currently, it has 5 projects and it adds plans to add 2 more projects. But importantly, it expects its real estate portfolio to increase by 60% to nearly 30,000 crore by FY25. So, that may be a quite a big positive. In their latest quarterly call, they've guided that uh, uh, pre-sales has been 20 has been around 2000 crore, up 25% in FY24. So that pre-sales will actually lead to more sales going forward, and it follows an asset light model where its balance sheet is very unlevered. Second, on credit card. So credit card data was released for the month of September, which was slightly negative. So credit card spends have declined by 4.2% month on month basis, but it was up by 16% YOY. Net new cards improved, so that is positive, to 17.3.4 lakhs compared to 14 lakhs in August. So that is very positive. And going forward, we expect that credit card spends should revive from October, mainly because it is a season of festivals. Then Phenolics Industries reported results which were below our expectations. So lower PVC prices dented in net sales realizations, but nevertheless, management remains optimistic that H2 could be much better because there will be demand pickup after monsoon. Overall, the company's net sales was lower by 6%, and EBITDA was down by nearly 172% to YOY at 100 crores. The stock is around 20 times current 20 times FY25 earnings. So we feel that it's kind of fairly valued. Then once IT related sector positive news that Google Cloud grew by nearly 22% and Azure also recorded 29% growth. So this is a little positive, and the companies that benefit out of this are like L&T, Mindtree, Birlasoft, Sonata, and Persistent. So that's it from me. Over to you, the retail team.
Thank you and good morning, everyone. We'll continue with further review, starting with RIL. RIL is in talks to close to finalizing cash and stock agreement to acquire Walt Disney's India operations, that is Disney Hotstar and Star India. And that's estimating approximately $10 billions, and conversely, Reliance has appraised the assets to be valued in the range of $7 to $8 billion. Secondly, Torrent Pharma came with results hit consolidated profit of 386 crore for the September quarter, which is 24% YOY. Revenue rose to 2660 crore during the quarter from 2291 crore. EBITDA came at 825 crore and the margin stood at 32%. And the net profit margin stood at 14.5%. The revenue growth was 18% for the India operation and 144. ONGC has won a bid to acquire PTC India's limited power unit for 925 crore as a state-owned firm continue to build a renewable energy portfolio to balance its fossil fuel business. It has said in the filing. Next is Vedanta. If you see Vedanta CFO Sonal Srivastava resigned amid the major structural overhaul announced last month, and Ajay Goyal, incumbent CFO at the Indian EdTech Byju's, will return as Vedanta's finance chief executive from October 30, company said in the last week. So that's it from mine. I'll hand over to Prabhakar sir for more updates.
Good morning, team. I think somebody has to tell Bhavesh to mute his thing. DMart has opened one more store in Andhra, which becomes 333 stores. Canes India, now they have done a groundbreaking ceremony in OSAT facility where semiconductor will be produced. So it will be in Telangana state, which is very positive for Canes. Multiple changes in CFOs in Vedanta is slightly negative for the stock, but Ajay Goyal was previously there. He is coming back. So, but anyway, Vedanta is a group where one should avoid the kind of corporate governance is very high in Vedanta. So yesterday I posted a video of somebody who started Quantum Mutual Fund. So he has been in tracking Indian market for 40 years. He says one statement that wherever I cannot understand the management, I stay away. In that, he says about Reliance, he talks about Vedanta, he talks about SR Group, and he talks about Adani. And I agree with him. These are the four most complicated group I have seen in my life. There are minor complicated group like Sun TV, where you cannot understand what is happening, and most of the things promoter take. And if I have to say something, if you understand Reliance 3 years back, said we will be zero debt company. Today they have more than 3 lakh crore of debt. No, what they commit and what they do is not related. And they want all their son and daughter to be board directors, which is opposed by few people also. No, like IAS, which is a proxy firm. They are opposing that. SIS is also opposing that. But what will happen, we don't know. But these companies never follow the corporate governance, or they never benefit the investors. That is why Reliance is also correcting off recently. NLC will have an option to sell surplus coal from its Talibana mines in Odisha after expanding capacity by more than half. NLC targets production of 20 million tons per annum by FY25 from 12,000 metric ton per annum, million ton per annum from present. There are many results which have come. Mahindra Logistics came with the results. Their revenue was flat at 1,365 crores. They reported a loss of 16 crores due to weakness in e-commerce business. But warehouse under management is 19 million square feet. Current expansion in Chakan, Kolkata, Nasik, and Guwahati will soon come on stream. But we need to understand Mahindra Logistics operates on 3 Ps now, and mainly their warehouse business is going to be the biggest part. So warehouse business, it takes time to, but over a long period of time, at current valuation, Mahindra Logistics looks very good. PNB came with a result. On the face of it, good results. The restructuring is complete, is what I feel. 60,852 crores is the total AUM, which is higher by 5%. NIM was also improved, which is at 3.95. Profit after tax was higher by 46% at 383 crores. The company said 96% of their loan book is retail. So Concall also was very positive. They are on the right track. Signature Global has signed a sale deal for acquiring land parcel admeasuring approximately 25.75 acres in Gurugram, Haryana for development of 3.25 million square feet property. Anantaraj came with results. So revenue was higher by 29% at 341 crores. Profit after tax higher by 80% at 59 crores. Company's data center, 3 megawatt IT load data center in Mansarabar has started to earn 2.5 crore for Q2 FY24. This is what the management said before, that their data center over a period of time will start to be a consistent compounder. So I think that is something which has come on stream. Mahindra Holiday came with results. On the face of it, there is the profit is down due to few provisions, but the number addition has been very good, 4,881. So they have total member of 2,89,688 members. They cash in the balance sheet is 1,176 crores. And their deferred revenue is 5,445 crores. They said, the project which is underway is almost 690 keys, and management is very confident that from current 5,005 keys, they will become 10,000 keys by 2030. It might happen bit earlier also because they have become very aggressive, and they have bought few properties also now to build this, and they have signed few agreements with state government. NHPC achieved a major milestone, head race tunnel now, which is 800 megawatt and which will have 13.118 kilometer. The project will be completed by 2024. The tunnel for that project is complete. Now they have to complete the project. now which will bring in almost 800 megawatt of power. So this is very positive for NHPC. But we need to understand in hydro, now the flash flood is something which is impacting them very badly. KIMS has acquired additional equity stake in Kondapur Healthcare. Kondapur Healthcare is not an operation. So they have taken another 12.09% stake. With this, the total stake there will be 37.18%. So the total investment will be 74 crores. Kondapur Healthcare project is 200 crores and it is still not operational. Supriya Life Science agreement with Kalinga Institute of Technology for development of first of its kind novel oral care deduction kit, which is very positive for Supriya Life Science. This oral kit will solve many problems, is what I can understand from the notification. Zenus Power wins order worth of 3,121 crores. Which is for about 36.27 lakh smart prepaid meters. Very positive for them. Shakti Pumps receives a 6th patent for stack assembly permanent magnet rotor motor, which will help in EV division, which is very positive for Shakti Motors. Hindustan Food plans to enter into contract manufacturing of sports shoe, which is not a related business for them. But they have entered, and for they said they will invest about 100 crores, and as a first step they have acquired a company 100% shareholding in KNS Shoe Tech Private Limited. So with that, over to you, T.
या थैंक यू सर एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के हिंदी अपडेट्स के साथ। कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस के रिलेटेड कुछ कंपनीज की अगर बात करें तो वेदांता और रिलायंस ये दो ऐसी कंपनीज हैं जहाँ पे एक अवॉइड करने का रिकमेंडेशन रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस। स्पेशली रिलायंस की अगर बात करें तो बहुत साल पहले जो है रिलायंस ने एक डेट फ्री होने का प्लान जो है बताया था, बट कंपनी आज के डेट में भी जो है डेट फ्री नहीं हो पाई है। एट द सेम टाइम मिस्टर मुकेश अंबानी के सन और डॉटर जो है जिनको बोर्ड पे अपॉइंट किया गया है, इनको भी काफी ऑपोजिशन फेस करना पड़ रहा है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ विच एक अवॉइड रेटिंग रिलायंस पे लेके चलेंगे। स्टॉक जो है काफी दिनों से करेक्ट भी हो रहा है, विच इज नॉट अ गुड साइन फॉर द स्टॉक। एनएलसी इंडिया की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी के पास ऑप्शन है उनका सरप्लस कोल सेल करने का फ्रॉम द ओडिशा प्लांट। महिंद्रा लॉजिस्टिक्स के नंबर्स जो है आए थे जहाँ पे रेवेन्यू जो है वो फ्लैट दिखा है एट 1365 करोड़, जबकि 16 करोड़ का लॉस भी देखने मिला है। इसी के साथ कंपनी जो है अपने बिजनेस का एक्सपेंशन प्लान कर रही है इन कोलकाता, नासिक एंड गुवाहाटी, जो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा कंपनी के लिए। अनंत राज की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी का रेवेन्यू जो है यहाँ पे एक बढ़त देखने मिली है 29% की, जबकि पैट में भी 18% की बढ़त देखने मिली है। एमएचआरएल के नंबर्स की अगर बात करें तो प्रॉफिट जो है वो वहाँ पे एक फॉल देखने मिला था, बट ओवरऑल जो है नंबर एडिशन काफी अच्छा है। आज के डेट में बैलेंस शीट के कैश की अगर बात करें तो ₹1176 करोड़ का कैश कंपनी के पास है। सनटेक रियलिटी पे एक अपडेट है जहाँ पे कंपनी ने रिसेंटली जो है 5 ग्रोथ इंजिन जो है ग्रोथ इंजन प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है वो प्लान किए एंड जो कंपनी के पास है, एंड आगे आने वाले टाइम में जो है और 2 ग्रोथ इंजन्स कंपनी प्लान कर रही है ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ नेक्स्ट 2 इयर्स। ये 2 इंजन्स ऐड होने के बाद कंपनी का एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि इनका जो रियल एस्टेट पोर्टफोलियो है, जो जीडीवी है ग्रॉस डेवलपमेंट वैल्यू, वहां पे एक 60% का राइज देखने मिलेगा टू ₹301 बिलियन बाय FY 25। फिनोलेक्स इंडस्ट्रीज की अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पे एक नेगेटिव अपडेट दिख रहा है। फिनोलेक्स इंडस्ट्रीज का अगर Q2 FY 24 का रिजल्ट देखे तो वहाँ पे हमारे एस्टिमेट से काफी जो है बिलो पार रिजल्ट्स देखने मिले हैं ऑन की पैरामीटर्स। पीवीसी प्राइसेस जो है वो लोअर है डेंटेड एनएससीआर, वाइल सबड्यूड वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ की अगर बात करें तो वहाँ पे भी एक जो है एक अनसेटिस्फैक्टरी नंबर देखने मिला है। मैनेजमेंट जो है वो काफी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है अभी के टाइम में इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेल्स वॉल्यूम पिकअप by the because of better monsoon and overall demand improvement। नेट सेल्स की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी के नेट सेल्स में एक 6.2% ईयर ऑन ईयर का डाउनफॉल देखने मिला है एट ₹8.8 बिलियन। जबकि एबिडा की अगर बात करें तो एबिडा यहाँ पे ₹1 बिलियन पे आ रहा है विच इज डाउन बाय 172.2% ऑन ईयर बेसिस। ओवरऑल हमारी कंपनी का इस पे एक होल्ड रेटिंग रहेगा विद अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹205। इसी के साथ कुछ मार्केट अपडेट्स की अगर बात करें तो मंडे के दिन हमने एक फ्रेश सेलिंग मार्केट में देखी। बैंक निफ्टी ने एक इम्पोर्टेंट सपोर्ट ब्रेक किया, तो अभी जो है बेस्ड ऑन द करंट सिचुएशन थोड़ा सा सेल ऑन राइज का अप्रोच या फिर सेल ऑन राइज का स्ट्रक्चर मार्केट में देखने मिल रहा है। आज के सेशन के बारे में अगर बात करें तो निफ्टी जो है वो 19,000 से लेके 19,600 के रेंज में ट्रेड करना एक्सपेक्टेड है। व्यू जो है इंडेक्स पे वो अभी भी कॉशियस रहेगा। इंट्राडे लेवल्स की अगर बात करें तो 19,200 जो है ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट सपोर्ट हो सकता है फ्रॉम ए इंट्राडे पर्सपेक्टिव। बैंक निफ्टी अगर बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी एक बेरिश बायस के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है सिंस 43,500 का लेवल जो इंडेक्स ने ब्रेक किया मंडे को, आज के दिन में यही लेवल एक रेजिस्टेंस के तौर पे एक्ट कर सकता है। जबकि सपोर्ट की अगर बात करें तो 42,600 का जो लेवल है यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है। कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे आज पॉजिटिव साइड पे नजर रखी जा सकती है वो है औरो फार्मा, मुथूट फाइनेंस एंड बीएससी दैट इज बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज। एफआईएस एंड डीआईएस की एक्टिविटी की अगर बात करें तो मंडे को एफआईएस ने ₹252.25 करोड़ की बाइंग की, जबकि डीआईएस ने 1,111.84 करोड़ की बाइंग की। कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे लॉन्ग बिल्डअप देखने मिला है फॉर नवंबर एक्सपायरी वो है अबॉट इंडिया, डेल्टा कॉप एंड कमिंस इंडिया। जबकि कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप देखने मिला है वो है मन्नापुरम फाइनेंस, जीएनएफसी एंड बलरामपुर चीनी। So this was all from our end. Thank you for attending the morning con call. Have a good day.